Hello friends, today at Pruitt Truck Sales I'd like to show you this 2014 Ford F450 with the 12-foot flatbed dump body. This dump is a PTO powered dump. It's equipped with the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel automatic transmission. It does have a 16,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. This unit has 98,000 miles. AM/FM stereo. It does have this is your PTO system here. Turn that on, and this is your controller to raise and lower your dump there. It does have your roll tarp there. Got your two gates back here. It's your Vinco hoist. But if you think this 2014 Ford F450 12-foot flatbed dump will work for you or your business, please contact us here at Pruitt Truck Sales or visit our website at pruittstrucksales.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.